I totally understand how hard it is to make the perfect fitting wig, but I think I came up with an idea, a solution to make a wig that's going to fit your head perfectly. The key to making a wig that's going to fit you perfectly is to create a mold of your actual head. That way you can make a wig that is to the exact dimensions of your head. The next step to having a flawless glueless wig is to have a wig cap that actually fits your head. Find one that is either small, medium, or large depending on the size of your head. Also make sure to have a canvas block head that is the same circumference as your actual head. Take your wig cap and put it onto your canvas head and pin it around the perimeter of the head mold that you previously made. The hair that I'm using to create this closure wig is Maya from our Raw Hair collection. Our Raw Hair collection is the highest quality hair that we offer at Quirky-esque, and Maya is our raw Chinese straight hair. It is perfect when you want that bone straight look. And let me tell you that Maya is not like that virgin hair that you get from other hair companies. Maya, she is thick, she is silky, and she straightens amazingly. And she has so much body that you don't have to worry about stiff hair anytime. And Maya will last you at least 3 years with proper care. I'm going to make this glueless wig by hand sewing versus using a sewing machine. I'm using clear thread to sew the tracks onto the wig cap, but by all means you can use regular hair thread or a thick thread to sew your tracks onto your wig head.